My name is Cody Adams, and today I'm going to be doing an informative speech about abortion. Just imagine that you're asked to speak in front of a large audience. One of the members of the audience can ask you any question. One of the audience members raises their hand and asks you about the topic of abortion. How are you going to speak about the topic of abortion when you know little about it? After knowing people that have had abortions, I feel that it is a topic that everyone should be knowledgeable about. Abortion is a highly debated topic in our society. Today we are going to cover three main points. The first one being what is abortion and the development of the fetus at the time of the abortion. The second one being how often abortions occur and what term the fetus is at when the abortions occur, and also the reasons why most women choose to abort the baby. And the third one being how abortion is a huge public issue in our society. With the topics I'm discussing today, I'm hoping to inform you about what abortion is, the truth regarding abortion, and how it plays a huge role in our society. First, I would like to talk about the background of abortion and the effect it has. According to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, the term abortion means a termination of the pregnancy after or accompanied by the resulting of the death of a fetus or baby. There are different types of abortions performed. The most common one is the suction method. The next one is the injection, is where doctors actually inject a salt solution into the mother's womb, which terminates the baby. And the next one being a partial birth abortion, where they use forceps to actually grab the baby out. Now we discuss the fetus development up to the abortion. According to today's parent, by 8 weeks of pregnancy, the fetus responds to touch, and by 11 weeks, the baby has begun exploring his own body, or her own body. By 26 to 27 weeks, the fetus responds to sounds and vibrations, and anywhere between 23 to 25 weeks, the baby's eyelids form. So those are some of the developments of the fetus at the time of abortion. The next topic is how often abortions take place and what reasons are behind it. According to the CDC, in 2014, 652,639 legal induced abortions were reported to 49 areas, which are states. The abortions of that ratio was 186 live births to 1,000 per live birth. That's over 500,000 babies. Most of the abortions occur within the first 12 weeks of the pregnancy. There's a greater chance of injury to the mother if she chooses to abort the baby after the 12 weeks. This can result in blood clots or bleeding that results to death and scarring of the tissue. According to Planned Parenthood, the CDC reported that 66% of abortions occur within the first 8 weeks and 92 within the first 13 weeks. This shows how women are choosing to do the abortion within the first trimester. And there are many reasons why women choose to abort babies. The first one being they might think they are not fit to be mothers. Maybe they can't afford it. They could have been raped and do not want the baby. And the other reason could be with health factors, where the baby could cause harm, where it could lead to their death. The next, we will discuss issues with abortion in our society. In Roe v. Wade, it was a court case in 1973 that legalized abortion. This basically made it where the women did not have to choose to do the abortion within the first trimester, and it allowed where they can talk to their doctor when they do the abortions. So it's all going to be between her and the doctor. Basically, this is what has caused a big division in our nation. Americans will always have divided opinion on abortions, and this is why it's important to be informed on the topic of abortion so you can form your own opinion. While some Americans think life begins in the womb, others think life begins outside the womb. and that's why it's important to learn about abortion and become knowledgeable in the area. In conclusion, I hope you're informed about what abortion is, the truths about abortion, and how it affects our society. Of course, we covered what abortion is and the fetus development. The second thing we covered was how many abortions occur, what term the fetus is at when the abortions occur, and also why women choose to do abortions. So the third one is how abortions are an issue in our society. So now you have become more knowledgeable in this area, and you are now well informed. Thank you.